Kajingyalang hapadeng ke subcommittee jang ke Sorkar Jilla bat kinong ilam ke Garo Hills Autonomous District Council kalalong hinen kesengi hatura Circuit House ban Ïakren ya ki Jingai ki badang ya chakmat hakaliang ke Pisa tingka bat ke senchar khadar hapo kani ke council. Lapen ya ki Jingyalang da Deputy Commissioner ke West Garo Hills Vibhor Agarwal kani ke committee kalak Ïakren ban pin urlong haka ban ai Jingïarap Pisa bailout package ki Jingpynbeit ki banne Islam bat ki Jingterwa ban thong yaw principal secretary ban penyat ha ka baydai bat ki Jingai tulap ya baro ki nong tray kani ka Jingyalang kadai ka Sdang jong ka Jingyamir Jingmut ha ka bala thmu ban Ïakren shu bat ki MDC bat ki nong tray jong ka council.
So the terms of reference number one is to see if the state government has proposed a sort of a bailout package to help the council in tiding over this particular issue, and this is of course a temporary measure that the state government has decided to see the acceptance of the council for this particular measure. Next is to ensure that long-term reforms are there in terms of financial reforms, the service rules, the procurement rules, etc., which can ensure a long-term financial stability in as well as the administrative stability in the council also.
Kakanhuan Menteri ke Jilla kalapadang ya kakai pot